Opening a special education needs centre without strategic design thinking is one of the most common and costly mistakes operators make. The layout, the sensory environment, the flow, every decision either supports the child or works against them. That's where Moon Kids come in. We don't just build therapy rooms, we design centres engineered around the child, the therapist and the business all at once. Occupational therapy rooms that engage the child, sensory-friendly spaces designed for people of determination from early years through to young adults, reception areas that calm parents and welcome children. From concept and design through to approvals, fit-out, installation, certification, and after-sales care, we handle every stage. With Moon Kids, it's everything under one roof, one partner, one contract. A centre built to open on time and run at full capacity. When the environment is right, families come back and they bring others with them. The sooner the environment works for the child, the sooner your centre delivers the outcome families are paying for. We've been doing this since 2011, hundreds of projects. If you're serious about opening a special education needs centre children connect with, let's talk. Moon Kids. We build the foundation your business stands on.